It's important for all citizens in the United States to understand their rights under the Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution. Police and government officials cannot just arbitrarily come along and search a citizen. They have to have either independent approval from a neutral and detached magistrate, or probable cause and, of course, exigent circumstances such that there's no time for them to get a warrant before they can search a citizen. Of course, all police searches are lawful if you give them permission. Here in Fort Worth, we've been having an alarming trend of the police coming in and doing what's called, affectionately, a knock and talk. This is a situation where they're going up to somebody's residence or their car or person and they're engaging them in a conversation. They have no probable cause, they have no reasonable suspicion, they may be there just on a tip or a hunch, and they effectively talk their way into somebody's residence or into their vehicle or into another area where this person has an expectation of privacy. It's important to know that if you say, yes, you can come in and search me, they can. And there's nothing that an attorney can do later to defend you and allege that this search was unlawful. Typically what the police will do is they'll get you emotionally off guard. They'll ask you if you're doing something wrong, something they may suspect or have no basis for suspecting at all. And then, of course, when you issue a denial as to whatever it is they're asking you, then they'll effectively ask you to prove it. Basically, they're shifting the burden to you and putting you in a position where you feel you need to defend yourself from their inquiry. Typical scenario they'll do is they'll ask, do you have anything in the car you don't want me to know about? And of course the standard answer is no, I don't have anything in the car. Then they'll start asking, do you mind if I search? Do you mind if I look in your car? And the answer needs to be yes, I mind. The police have to have probable cause to search you. And if they're asking for your permission to search, however coercive as they ask, if they're asking for your permission to search, chances are they don't have it. And you need to tell them, no, you do not have the permission to search me. You do not have the permission to search my car. You do not have the permission to search my home or my children or my dog or anything else. If they're asking, the answer needs to be no. And this is regardless of whether or not you have any reason to say no other than you just value your privacy. There's nothing wrong with being afraid of the police. There's nothing wrong with not knowing what to say or how to manage these encounters. But just understand this. Don't agree. Don't waive your rights. If they're having to ask, they probably don't have any lawful reason to be in there.